Hey, good evening. We're going to work on 4 problems here today on target 5.7b. This is dividing mixed numbers. It's 5.7b. That's a regular 6th grade target. If you would like more information, you go ahead and watch the video in the Chapter 5 playlist, 5.7b. Okay, the first thing you have to do here is you really need to rewrite this problem 2 times. The first time you need to rewrite this, you need to make this into improper fractions. So before you divide, you have to do that. So 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 gives us a total of 7/4. I just renamed that. Now I'm just going to recopy this problem down. So this is the new division problem that I'm working with. You want a division problem that has 2 fractions. Now I have 2 fractions. Up here I had a mixed number. All right, now I can apply the rule, the keep, change, flip. That's the secret to the whole thing. To keep it, to change it, to flip it. All right, so I'm going to keep this first one at 7/4. I'm going to change that sign to multiplication. I'm going to flip this fraction upside down. Now I've got a new rewritten problem I'm doing, and this is just multiplying fractions. You can just multiply straight across if you want here, and you would get 28/4, and you can divide that. You can get 28 divided by 4 is 7. Or if you want, you can cross out and divide by 4 here, it's 1. Divide by 4 here, it's 1. And you end up with 7/1, which is 7 as well. All right, so we're going to do the same thing on these other problems here. First of all, we're going to get my 2 arrows here so that I remember to rewrite this as improper fractions. They're just both as fractions. So 2 times 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14/5, and that's going to be divided by 2/5. I just rewrite it, just copy it down. All right, now I got to do the keep, change, flip. So I'm going to keep the 14/5. I'm going to change the sign, and I'm going to flip the fraction upside down. All right, now regular multiplication. I can just multiply straight across if I want. I'm a little lazy. I don't know what 14 times 5 is, so remember, I can divide diagonally here. So I'm going to divide by 5 here, it's 1. Divide by 5 here, it's 1. If you look closely, you can divide over here too. I can divide by 2 here, it's 1. I can divide by 2 here too, it's 7. So now I can still multiply straight across. I have 7/1. This is 7. All right, on this problem down here, 1 and 7/8 divided by 3/4. Again, let me get my little graphic organizer here so I remember to rewrite this problem 2 times. 1 times 8 is 8, plus 7 is 15/8. And we are going to divide that by 3/4. All right, now I'm going to do my keep, change, flip. I've rewritten it, so here's my 15/8. I'll keep it. I'll change the sign, and I will flip it. I can divide diagonally here. Divide by 4 here. It goes in 1 time, and it goes in 2 here. I can even divide by 3 here. It goes in here once, and it goes in here 5 times. So if I multiply straight across now, I have 5 times 1 on top, which is 5. I've got 2 times 1, which is 2 on the bottom. I have 5 halves. I can simplify that. What that really means is 5 divided by 2. It goes in there 2 times, and there's 1 left over. So my answer is 2 wholes and 1 part of 2. Another way of saying that is 2 1/2. All right, let's run through this one here. Get my arrows down so I remember to rewrite it twice. 2 times 10 is 20, plus 7 is 27/10. We're going to divide that by 4/5. I'm going to go ahead and do my keep, change, flip now. Here's 27/10. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to change that sign, and I will flip it. I can divide by 5 here. Divide by 5, it goes in there once. Divide by 5 here, it goes in twice. I've got 27/8. Okay, I'm going to slide that over so you can see it. So what that really means is, it means 27 divided by 8. Well, 8 goes in there 3 times is 24, and I got 3 left over. So here's my answer. It goes in there 3 and 3 parts remaining out of 8. 3 3/8. Thanks for listening. Just a quick reteaching on 5.7b. I can divide mixed numbers.
Stop.